Hey guys, this is narrator Jazz, and I ignore the background noise.
Okay, I'm scared, whatever.
I have to narrate this part of the vlog. No, I don't like that. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. This is narrator Jazz. This is narrator Jazz. Please ignore the background noise. Some people just don't know how to be quiet momentarily. And my little cousins. So this vlog started out a little bit all over the place. So this vlog started out a little bit all over the place. Okay? I went to see Beyonce. Let's start there. Do you know what today is? It's Beyonce knows day. It's Beyonce day. Ooh. Okay, it got dark. Where's my Uber? Okay. So y'all know the Renaissance movie is out, and y'all know that's where we're headed. Hola.
Hola.
Do you know what today is? It's Beyonce day. So I'm at the mall about to go see Renaissance. If I can find the theater. I'm a little lost. Ooh, I am so excited to see this movie, and I already know me. I'm gonna see it at least 2-3 times. Yeah, true Beehive. You know what I mean? So cute. This is a Beyonce stan household, Tara. Okay? Movie was off the chain. I feel so inspired right now. I feel like I'm not doing enough. I could be doing more. Beyonce, the number one. The only one. The movie was so good, y'all. It was long and worth every penny, every second. I just... that girl, genius, masterpiece, genius, drip intravenous, period, Tara, period, you see the shirt. And then there was a freaking earthquake, y'all, and I freaked out. My first earthquake ever. Like, I wasn't even natural disaster ready. I was looking crazy. Okay, but we are here to tell the story. We made it through another day. Oh my God, it is a freaking earthquake. Oh my God, it's a freaking earthquake, bro. What? It's an earthquake! Oh my God! Oh, Lord Jesus! Lord Jesus! Let's go. Okay. And now we are about to go take ourselves out. It's solo date night. So I'm about to go eat. And then we're going to this R&B party that I have very just low expectations for, because honestly, the parties here have just been underwhelming. And I don't know if that's because I wasn't drinking before, but y'all know I have completed my 90-day alcohol fast. It's finally over. So I can drink, and I think I want to drink tonight. I think I'm going to have a margarita or two. Or maybe a little margarita, martini, a little cocktail. So yeah, we're all caught up now. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I'm here at Sonora Grill. Today is December 9th. And I ordered me a drink. My drink is here. This is the first drink I'm going to have in over 100 days. I can't pinpoint when was the last time I had a drink, but it's been officially 100 days since I started my challenge. I ordered some rum. That's good. Barbecue ribs?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
I want salad.
One that is salad.
Which one? Mandarin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. These allergies?
Thank you. I don't know what it is, y'all. Everywhere I go, I get free shit. I just got a free drink from the restaurant. Like, what is going on? Dude, it's so crazy. find it so funny when your card declines and you know you got money. Because baby, when I tell you, my little card kept declining up in there, y'all. Almost wasn't able to leave. I only brought one card, but thank God for Apple Pay because all my cards were on my phone. I'm waiting on my Uber. I was going to go to the party straight from here, but I'm actually going to stop by the house so I can drop this food off and then go to the party. 2 minutes, baby. It's cold. It's so cold. Hola.
Yes.
See?
Sueste.
Okay, just got back in the house, leaving out the house. Got everything I needed. It's my Uber bumping his music for me though. And we are off. Y'all hear him? That's my Uber.
Listo?
Oh, you could bump it. Bump it, bump it, bump it. Oh wow, this is not what I, okay. Y'all, I told y'all, my expectations for these parties is in the bare, all right. It is so annoyingly packed. This is crazy. They want us to suffocate. Okay, can't move back there. You can't even breathe. I talked all this. This is Tipsy Jazz checking in. Mind you, I had 2 drinks at Sonora, 2 drinks here. I bought a drink. This guy bought me a drink. Then this guy bought me a shot. Girl, I talk all that shit, but I'm literally having the time of my life right now. It's a vibe. I'm in the bathroom. Okay, play my jam. I gotta go. I lay my head on my pillow, staring at the window. It's on the star for a sign. What's the reason why? Oh yeah. When I see you, baby, right on time. When I see you, yeah. There's holes in my notebook. Checking how my y'all gonna kill me for this ending, but I simply did not close out the vlog because I was toe up. But I hope y'all enjoyed it anyway. See you in my next video. Bye.